Another beautiful morning in Georgia. You are looking at a squash plant, and this is a flower. So I'm thinking I've never had an edible flower, and I heard squash blossoms are delicious. So when I get enough on there, I'm going to fry them and give it a try. They have to taste pretty good because squash is good. So I'm looking forward to trying something new.